Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find missing fonts in Illustrator. If you look at in my case, there are two fonts which are missing in my case, and in order to find those fonts you need to remember the name. The first one is Damien Regular and the second one is Racing Sans. So we're gonna look for the fonts on Google. So just open a browser and type the fonts. First for Damien font, so you can just type something like this, and here you will see that there are a couple of sites which have this font. So we'll just click on the first site, and it is from Google Font, so we can easily download the font for free. So here you can see the option get font, so click on that, and yeah, this is the font. So just click on the download button. So yeah, that font is successfully downloaded. It's time for us to download the second font, and the name of the second font was Racing Sans. Okay, this is the one, so just select it, and here you can see the same thing. Couple of websites have the same font which we are looking for. This font is also available on Google Fonts, so just click on the first site. Now here we just click on get font. So yeah, this is the one. Just click on the download button again. Once you download all of your fonts, we're just gonna install them onto our computer. So for that we just need to locate to the folder where we have downloaded those fonts. So it would be here in the download folder in my case, and these are the fonts. So just open the file. This is the font, just double click on that, click on install, close it. Now we're gonna install the second one, click on install, and yeah, just close this too, close this too, and yeah, there you go. You can see that the font is successfully activated. For now you can just click on close. Let's click on skip here, and yeah, there you go. The document is successfully opened, and from now you can just change the text if you like. It is up to you. Whatever changes you want to do, you can go ahead with that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.